हे गाइस, दिस इज सुहास पडमलकर। वेलकम टू टुडेज वीकली मार्केट अपडेट। आप सबका आपके अपने लाइव सेलर सुहास चैनल में स्वागत है। गाइस, लास्ट वीक वाज टू मच volatile. We are witnessing our Nifty 26,333 and 24,640 is the range where Nifty is stuck between, and it is trading in this range. So clearly, to break upside or downside, we need some local trigger. We need to wait and watch what trigger will make our market crossing these levels. So yesterday there was news, good news for the overall global economies from the US Supreme Court. They have rejected Trump tariffs, which is levied across the globe under Trump administration. So it will be interesting to see how the market reacts in the next week to this news. But overall, it seems to be positive for the markets. So everything we are going to discuss in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Before moving ahead, let me give disclaimer. Whatever we are going to discuss and learn in this video, that is just for education and information purpose only. Anyway, there is no buy or sell recommendation. As a trader, it is your responsibility to do your own research and analysis or consult your financial advisor before entering into any trade. So let's dive in. In today's weekly market update, we are going to see performance of the world market, commodities, cryptocurrencies, Indian market, and Indian sectoral indices. For this, we are going to use our most favorite top-down approach. So it is a four-step process where first step is satellite view. In this, we normally see performance of the global markets. Second step in this approach is helicopter view, where we see performance of our major indices like Nifty 50 and Sensex. Third step in this approach is aerial view, where we see performance of our Indian sectoral indices. And the fourth step in this approach is microscopic view, where we find out the best stocks from the performing sector. So let us see. First step is satellite view, global market performance. Dow Jones monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So medium term and long term trend of Dow Jones is bullish. S&P 500 monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So clearly short term and medium term trend is sideways. Nasdaq monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So clearly short term and medium term trend of Nasdaq is sideways. FTSE UK, all three RSI trading above 60 level. So clearly this market is in great momentum. DAX Germany, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So little bit correction, sideways market in short term, but overall price action structure indicates DAX Germany market is positioned very well. Euro stocks, all three RSI trading above 60 level, so no worry at all. Nikkei Japan, all three RSI trading above 60 level. This is also in great momentum. CAC France, all three RSI trading above 60 level, so clearly it is also in great momentum. Shanghai Composite China, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So again, medium term and long term trend of Shanghai market is bullish. Kospi Korea, all three RSI trading above 60 level. So clearly one of the best chart that we have seen today. Kospi Korea market is in great momentum. Hang Seng Hong Kong, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So clearly sideways market in short term and medium term trend. Taiwan, all three RSI trading above 60 level. So clearly is in great momentum, bullish market. Let us see commodity performance. Gold futures, we have seen great rally in gold. Same is the case with silver. Copper is also looking good. Medium and long term trend of copper is very much bullish. Crude monthly and weekly RSI between 40-60 and daily is trading above 60 level. So clearly short term trend is picking up pace and medium term and long term trend is sideways. So let us wait and watch how things unfolds in weeks ahead. US dollar index, all three RSI trading between 40-60 levels. So clearly it is a sideways market. Let us see cryptocurrencies performance. Bitcoin monthly RSI between 40-60, daily weekly trading below 40 level. So it is ultra bearish. Ethereum same like Bitcoin, monthly RSI between 40-60, daily weekly below 40 level. So short term and medium term trend is bearish. So let us see second step of top down approach, that is helicopter view. We'll see Indian market performance. First one is Nifty 50, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So clearly from chart we can see short term and medium term trend of Nifty is sideways. Our Nifty got stuck between the range 26,333 and 24,340. So unless and until Nifty is not breaking this level upside or downside, we will not see momentum in our market. So yesterday's news from US, their Supreme Court rejecting Trump tariffs, which is levied on different countries across the globe. So that will be seen very positively, but we have to see how market will react on Monday. It will be good thing for the Indian market. Sensex also monthly RSI, monthly, weekly, daily, all three RSI trading between 40-60 level. So it is showing it is going to be a sideways market for time being. So let us see third step in our top-down approach is aerial view. That is where we will see our different sectoral indices performance. Nifty Bank monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily trading near 60 level, just below 60 level. But overall price structure indicating bullish momentum. So since banking is a primary sector and it is giving us positive signal, so that is very good for the Indian market going forward. Nifty Fin Services monthly weekly RSI trading above 60 level, daily between 40-60 level. So again Nifty Fin Services sector is also supporting Bank Nifty. Nifty PSU Bank, all three RSI trading above 60 level. So clearly it is in great momentum and this is one of the best chart from the Indian market that we have seen today. Nifty Auto monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So clearly short term and medium term trend of auto sector is sideways. Nifty Metal monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So metal sector we have seen is in great momentum for last couple of months. Nifty Pharma, all three RSI trading between 40-60 level. So clearly it is a sideways market. Nifty IT, monthly RSI between 40-60, daily weekly below 40 level. So lot of bearishness in short term and medium term trend of IT sector. Nifty FMCG, monthly, weekly, daily, all three RSI trading between 40-60 level. So clearly it is a sideways market. Nifty consumption, again all three RSI trading between 40-60 level. So clearly it is also sideways market. Nifty energy, here also all three RSI trading between 40-60 level, but closer to 60 level. So let us wait and watch, because on weekly chart if you notice this is the resistance. Once this resistance is broken upside, then we will see momentum in energy sector. So let us wait and watch. Nifty reality, monthly weekly RSI, monthly weekly daily RSI between 40-60. So clearly it is a sideways market. So what is the conclusion of our analysis? This is the table which indicates performance of the world markets. So clearly we can see from this majority of the sales are green. That means so monthly charts are trading above RSI 60 level. So that is very good. Weekly also almost same. So overall global markets, there is no worry. All are trading at all-time high or more than previous all-time high levels. So we are getting bullish signal from the global markets. So this is the summary of Indian market. Nifty 50 is little bit sideways on medium term trend, but overall banking sector is performing well, so that is the good for the Indian market. But rest of the sectors, if you see, lot of yellow sales and our RSI levels of different sectors indices are between 40-60 level, so it is indicating us sideways market movement. This is primarily happening because there is no FII participation in Indian market. So that is little bit concern. Our Nifty is not breaking upside. And whatever domestic institutions are buying, they are largely focusing on large cap stocks. That is the reason only Nifty is performing well and rest all other sectors they are not firing equally. So that is the concern going forward. So this is the reason, since sectors are not performing and supporting Nifty, our market is not trading above previous all-time high level. So it will be interesting to see how the things will unfold in next week and weeks ahead for Indian market to break upside. So presently, with respect to yesterday's news from US and our price structure of different indices, we can clearly see our view is little bit sideways to bullish side. So from our top-down analysis, we could able to find outperformance in metal, banking, PSU bank, fin services, auto in this sector. And we have seen energy is picking up pace, so its performance is at par with Nifty performance. And we have seen underperformance from pharma, FMCG, reality, IT sector. So this is how our top-down approach and analysis help us to identify outperforming sector, underperforming sector. And once we know which sector is performing, so it will be very easy for us to pick up the stocks from the best performing sector. So this is how, as a trader, we should improve our profitable trade probability, and this approach help us in doing so. So thank you guys. आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment below, and do subscribe to our channel. जल्द ही मिलेंगे ऐसे ही नए ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए आई एम सुहास पड़मलकर, योर ट्रेडिंग स्किल पार्टनर, signing off for the day. Take care of yourself and your family. Till then, good luck and good trading. Thank you.